Ola accessories fitting. So I'm doing the rear head protector and also the rear guard for the Ola. And this online is costing somewhere around 2,500, which is the entire set. But if you come to places like this, which is Ramkot in Hyderabad, you will get it for a very cheaper price and with lot of options. So now, because my rear fitting it got broke, I am getting this done from here, which is individually, and which is only this piece, because the front fitting I have already installed. Only for the rear they are charging around 500 rupees for that, the protector, and as well as I'm doing the seat cover change. So the reason why I'm making this video is to ensure to tell you that not most of the times you can pick up things from online, but also sometimes if you do offline, and also places like this you can get it at a very cheaper price. So that's something which I wanted to tell you. So this is how the installation looks, and if you're taking this rear crash guard, you have to make sure that for Ola especially, you also have to have a joint which goes from the seat, so that fitting also should be there. But this is how the look is, and I suggest that you can pick it up from your local dealer who can have or provides these parts, because through online these parts are very expensive, and that is something that you have to keep in mind, and also the fitting charges, because you need to also consider that. So for this 550 is what the rear crash guard costed me. The seat is around 200 rupees, and then the fitting charges were around 150 rupees. So that's how it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one.